Hey everyone, it is me, now known as Mohja, which means spirit of the heart, and that was my birth name, and I'm kind of reclaiming it back. So I've been gone, guys, for five years, and a lot has changed, but also a lot hasn't either. And I'm back, and I want to share with you guys what has been going on. I know you guys have literally I can't believe it, but for the past 5 years, you guys have contacted me on Instagram, like just checking in, like what's going on, like are you gonna go back to YouTube? And the truth is, why I took this really long gap. All right, I started a company, and that company did really well. We've made over $10 million, guys. And it just took all of my energy and focus there. And I was already creating a lot of video for the company's content. And I just, like, the longer it's been since I posted, the more anxiety I had about coming back to this channel, because I just kept fearing they must hate me, like they think I abandoned them, like, oh, it's been a year, like I can't possibly post, And then another year goes by, it's like, oh, it's been 2 years, I definitely couldn't post now. Why didn't I post last year? And then so on and so forth. And then at the fifth year, I'm just like, dang, bro, it's been so long, and I just the longer I wait, it's just gonna get longer and longer. And it's the saying of a year ago from now, you wish you would have started today. That's what the motto I'm going in with 2022. I'm just gonna do things now. And if you guys are still rocking with me, cool. If not, that's okay too. I'm just sharing my life in order to help maybe just one person empathize, or build a company, or just live life. And so I'm back, and I'm gonna be sharing things on a weekly basis. So definitely let me know below what you guys are interested in. If you're coming into this channel, we definitely changed a lot. So 5 years ago, the things that you wanted me to do probably changed a lot. And I'm about to just dive right in and tell you about all the different parts of my life. So let's go. So you guys remember the videos that I made where I was making avocado deep conditioners, and I was just testing it out, and it worked really well in my hair? Well, from then, I read your comments, and you guys were like, yo, Moshe, this looks great and all, but I don't got time to do this myself. It's messy, it's inconvenient, and let's say I do it once, how am I supposed to do it on a weekly basis And so it really got me to thinking, why don't people offer this, And so I did a crowdfunding campaign, and I asked, if I made it, would you buy it? And I sold over $10,000, or almost $10,000 of products that really didn't exist, okay? And so since then, I was been busy formulating and developing with a chemist a newer and more improved version of that DIY. So the deep conditioners that we sell now at Natural are not the same as the ones that you just mix up together. It's highly concentrated, as well as scientifically developed to really meet the needs of your hair. So whether it's to restore, strengthen, or moisturize, we have different treatment options that use natural ingredients, but in the highest form possible. And even the machinery we use now to make the product ensures that it's so so creamy and smooth that it actually goes into your hair. So the DIY stuff you're doing in your blender, you're probably not getting the consistency right, so that it's the pieces are too big for your hair to actually absorb it. So we got it down to a molecular level type science. So I've been doing that, really focusing on the chemistry behind the products. And then we also launched almost 50 new products since then. So your shampoos, your conditioners, your leave-in conditioners, twisting paste, curling custard, oils, we got all of that, right? And so 5 years ago, I was just starting out with the deep conditioners, and you guys then said, I want everything else. So we kind of developed that. And throughout my time, I literally just checked like yesterday because I was like, how many people like have we employed through Natural full time and part time? And we're like at 92 people. Like that's crazy to me. That was always a big part of why I wanted to build something, and especially in Philadelphia where I am now. Like I hired people from Philly, you know what I'm saying? I hired people who like really just wanted a chance to show themselves and prove themselves in a new business. And of those like 92 people, 90% of them were minority and women. So this company was really built by other people who kind of look like me, and it's just amazing because they tell us we can't do it, whatever. No, it's been incredible to be able to hire, and such a blessing to hire over 90 people in the course of like 5 years. So that's crazy. What else is new? Like I said earlier, we made over $10 million in sales, and that's just wild to me. Like I just was thinking that I was doing something on the side, and now it became like my living. After all, was on such a high, like 2019, like record sales, 2020 record sales, and then the pandemic hit. And the pandemic was very interesting because if you saw our clips in the office, we're a lit crew. We are always dancing, having fun. Like the magic of Natural was partly like the workplace and the people in it. And so when the pandemic hit and we were all working remotely, or like the marketing team, customer services working remotely, it was hard. It was really hard to bring back kind of that magic that we've had. And what we did instead was really lean in to a new normal for us, and really try to uplift each other. We had like mental health workshops. We literally had like a therapist come in and talk to people, whoever needed help. And one of the coolest things of having a manufacturing center, we listened to our customers, and our customers were like, I can't find hand sanitizer anywhere. If you guys remember that, like when people were going into stores, they were going crazy buying the hand sanitizers, they're buying the Lysols, they were buying the toilet paper. It was crazy. There was none to be found. And so I was like, wait a minute, we could just manufacture hand sanitizers. And that's what we did. And we gave them out for free to all of our customers. And I think like the team, since we've done that, like this is an initiative for the customers, it really helped us get through the pandemic. So I'm a mom now.